Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your fitness app with Strava, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Strava website. Log into your Strava account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the settings section of your profile. Look for the API or integrations option in the settings menu. Here, you will find an option to create an application. Click on the Create or New Application button. Fill in the required fields, such as application name and URL. Make sure to define the callback URL, which is important for authentication. Once you submit the form, you will receive a client ID and a client secret. Keep this information secure, as you will need it for authentication. Next, open the fitness app you wish to connect with Strava. Look for the integrations or settings section within your app. Find the option to connect with Strava and click on it. You will be redirected to a Strava authorization page. Log in if prompted and approve the requested permissions. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to your fitness app. Enter your client ID and client secret from Strava to complete the integration. Save your changes and refresh your fitness app. Check the integration by syncing an activity from your fitness app to Strava. Monitor your Strava account to confirm the activity has been logged. Repeat the sync process to ensure everything is working smoothly. Congratulations, your fitness app is now automated with Strava. Enjoy tracking your workouts effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.